This week's Canva Quick Tip is looking at 3 of the apps that you can use to create different photo effects. I'm Kim from Be Your Own Graphic Designer, a platform where you can get colourful and unique images to use in your Canva designs. Many of our designs are also on Canva, and I'm also a Canva champion. I record quick tip videos every week to help you improve your designs with Canva. So let's go to my Canva screen and I'll show you how you can use these. You can find the apps in 2 different places. The first place that we're going to do is go down to Discover Apps on your homepage, and they're under Photo Editing. And the 3 that we're going to look at are ColorMix, Trippy, and Screen. And they're all by the same company called PhotoMosh. Let's just click on ColorMix to begin with. You can use it in a new design from here. If you want to use it in an existing design, I'll show you how. But we'll click on Use a New Design, and we're going to click on an Instagram post. And Canva will automatically drop in an image, which you can always change, and shows you the effects you can have with ColorMix. We'll just go through those quickly, and then we'll move on to how you use them in one of your own designs. You can have a rainbow one, and you'll see these lines and circles. And when you click on those, they allow you to alter both the intensity or the amount of color that you have on here. And you can offset it. You see the rainbow moving across. Let's go back. Then you have Arctic. And again, all of these can be moved, and this is changing the hue and the saturation. You have Amethyst, Marmalade, Marine, Glow, Parakeet, and Sangria. I'm going to go with Rainbow because it's just such a nice, intense color. I'm going to offset it a bit more and make it a little more intense. And then I'm going to click Apply. And that's all there is to it. So I'm going to show you how you can use it in an existing image. And I have a blank screen here, and here's a photo I found earlier that I really liked because I love dance. I'm just going to open that up. And this time, rather than starting from the home screen, I can just click Edit Image. And you can see ColorMix has come up because I've obviously recently used it. But if you just scroll down, you'll find the other effects. And the other ones we're going to look at are Trippy and Screen. Trippy is a really fun effect as well. Now click on See All so you can see it. And this is Split. You can see it's just made several copies of my image. Then Radiate, a Trace, Stencil. These are quite different as you do them. Opal, Fluorite, Moodstone, and Mirror, which creates a very odd image. But let's go to Split. And again, you have the lines and the circles, which allows you to shift the amount of color so you can see the blues moving more into the main red or coming back out again. And also to move the angle of it, moving those shadows further away. You can see it's very clever and does create a completely different image to the one that I first started with. I'm going to click Apply on that. I'm just going to do one more. Let's duplicate this. And let's go to Screen. Again, click on See All. And you can see all the screen effects you can have. So halftone, calico, semitone, lino, drill, corduroy, crosshatch, and canvas. I think I'm going to go with calico, which is quite interesting. And again, if I click on here, I can change the scale of it and see how the background changes to go wider or smaller. You can change the intensity of the effect that you choose. And then, as with all of these, you simply click Apply. So there are 3 ways to make your photos a lot more interesting using some really fun photo editing apps in Canva. And I suggest that you have a play to see what you like and see what fun effects you can create. I hope that helps. And if you found this useful, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you hit the notify bell, you'll be told each time we publish a video. See you next week.